Don't think or don't expect from yourself that the thing which you should be able to do in June, you will be able to do in January. No, I'm taking a lot of time. Am I not suitable for UPSC? Don't ask such questions from yourself, because initial reading takes time. Understanding how to study a subject. So once you develop a system, once you are in a habit, what will happen? पहले syllabus देखा, कैसे पढ़ना है वो देखा, time भी set कर लिया, सब कुछ set कर लिया, तो एक system, we have developed a system. Now when we are operationalizing that system, when we are actually doing it on the ground, what we need to do is we need to understand that how we need to read the topics, subject. So first is basic understanding. You should have basic understanding of subject. You can build it through NCERTs. NCERTs are very good source, simplified source of developing basic understanding of subjects. Then go to standard books. So first read NCERT. For example, if you want to begin with polity and you have no background in polity, maybe you are from science or commerce background, and so you can have social sciences books from, or the civics books from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, political theory you might read, and develop a basic understanding of the topics. Then go for standard books, and then when you read newspaper after 6 months, you will be able to integrate. Don't think or don't expect from yourself that the thing which you should be able to do in June, you will be able to do in January. No, things will take time. First, brick by brick, build the foundation, have basic understanding of what is constitution, why it is there, what are the basic features of it. Then go for higher standard books, and then go for what is happening in current. Next is first reading equals to understanding. That means in the first reading you'll take a lot of time. Let's say in reading preamble chapter only you took 2 hours. It's okay. It's completely okay to read a chapter in first reading for long hours, because students, they get very or scared that I'm taking a lot of time. Am I not suitable for UPSC? Don't ask such questions from yourself, because initial reading takes time. And the more time you give, the more understanding you will develop, and the less time you will take in future. And next readings will be consolidating part and revising part. So don't rush through subjects. Don't go through subjects like I'll do it in 1.5 hours only. No, if it takes time, let it be. Let it take time. Okay.